So you guys remember our last attempt. I'm so proud. Ding-a-ling! Nickelodeon slime. And I did it. Look at this. I was so happy. Oh yeah. But I'm still bummed about the glitter that other slime company manufacturer sold me without my glitter. So I got this, another slime kit, but this time it's not how to make your own slime, but rather how to be creative. So this is slime kits, add accessories to your slime. And that's what I'm gonna do. I need some accessories here. This is not working for me. So let's see what they've got in here. I'm loving this already. Translucent slime. Some nice pink slime. Some yellow slime. And this is very interesting. It's like a green and cream mixture, which I thought looked pretty interesting. But look at that. I mean, that looks cool. So I'm going to put my success slime back into the holder for now. Like, I'm going to show you guys a close-up of the box. It's got like really cute pictures, eh? I mean, look at this little guy. I mean, cute, man. Don't you just want to eat this little guy up? Please don't, you will die. And my accessories. I mean, look at the amount of accessories you get here. I'm not sure which or what's every single one of them is called, but we just can call them fun stuff. And this, yeah, okay, well, if I take this out, everything's gonna fall out, so we'll do it bit by bits. Okay guys, what do you want to start with? Oh yeah, and by the way, I got this as well. It's like a green slimy metallic slime. And I thought it looked so cool, man. Love the color. Sorry guys, I'm like overheating here. I'm still at the beach. It's why I'm wearing a cap. I'm not going to expose you guys to what's going on underneath this. But I mean, look how cool this looks. So we're going to incorporate this and this and this with our awesome little things here. But I also want to use this. I'm just scared I'm going to... Well, there we go. It's not that bad. Some accessories, yeah! By the way, I bought all of this from a store called The Crazy Store, and you can literally get anything there. It costs next to nothing. It's fun, especially if you want to keep your kids entertained for a bit. I would say go there and buy some of these things. I mean, for 100 Rand, you can walk out of there with at least 7 to 8 items, and the kids are going to enjoy it. I'm going to start with this because I think this is really interesting. A bit gross, but I like it. And it's like really, 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 really slimy. A bit of a mess. You see what I mean? This is intense stuff. Oh, there we go. And it's like literally all over the place. What the? Oh no, not another one. Ugh. I thought I could only mess up slime, but apparently you can mess it up by buying it. I'm not gonna work with this, guys. I'm sorry. I'll see you just now, hey? Baby wipes. I'm so happy I bought this. I don't know why I did. I just did. Maybe it's because I knew this was gonna happen. But I've got my substitute. Do you remember what I showed you guys earlier? Like my favorite color ever. So we are just gonna replace whatever this was in here. But I'm so put off, I'm rather gonna start with something else. Maybe our success. Yeah. I love you, Nickelodeon. You make the best slime. I love you. Buy this one, okay? So this looks like little stars. Yellow stars. Purple stars. Awesome. And then we have got some pearls. Looks like buttons. I think this is like a candy cane. I think. What do you think? I don't know. But we'll find out. I think there's someone at the door. 2 seconds. Flavored water. Wink wink. I'm slime as water. Okay, so I said we're gonna start with this. I'm still so flippin' proud, man. I made my own slime. But it is like the last slime video. I'm over this stuff now. So let's do this. I'm gonna bring you guys up for a close-up so you can see exactly what I'm doing here. Close-up for you guys. Okay. Little close-up of these things. Looks like orange, yellow little stars. Colorful stars. And a pink, bluish kind of star thing. And I think it's like a candy thing. But we'll make it work. We start with this. Let's just add some of everything in here. And because I love this one so much, he's getting the trophy. Let's look at that. Eh? I think this color might clash a bit, so we're gonna not include that one there. Yes! We're gonna do this one. Okay. So let's see. Look how pretty, man. I mean, if a kid does not enjoy this, there's something wrong. No, I'm just kidding. There's nothing wrong. Each to their own, eh? I think we're gonna make a little like smiley face right there. What's next? My replacement slime. There's always something, hey? Always something. We'll split that in two. Well, let's split it again. We'll make it like a little nose thingy. Now we can use the yellow. If I can get it open. Give me 2 seconds. There we go. Let's put some of that on there. Okay, so for this ugly background, that's the only one I could find that will actually work. Okay, now this. I don't think there's gonna be much use for this one. Pink, maybe. Let's see. I'm loving the texture. This is what it should look like. Oh yeah. Love it. Put that one side. We'll do little eyes there. Here we go. Don't you think it should have been a good idea for me to switch the pink and the blue? You know? Pink mouth, blue eyes. Well, it's a bit too late now. Okay, now we can use this pretty color. Just look at this. It's beautiful. Let's put some glitter on there. Glitter on there. There we go. It's starting to look like something. Something like really alienish, but it's something. Here we go. So now what are we gonna do with the yellow? I'm thinking hair. Yeah, I think that might work. I'm gonna use all of it. Oh, I love this. Oh, I'm literally in love with this. Okay. So let's start. We'll give it a little baby hair thingy right there. And then this we can use for the rest of the hair. Here we go. What glitter do you guys want? Are we gonna go for this one? Yes. You know what? Let's turn this thing around. Like this. We'll make this thing a unicorn. There we go. Unicorn. Yes. Let's get all of these containers out of the way. And I almost knocked over the camera. We've still got some of this left though. So what do you guys think we should do? I'm thinking ears. Ears can work. This is one scary looking clown. There we go. We've got earrings. And only one. We want to be conservative, eh? We don't want to go overboard. And then we've got this. What am I going to do with this? Oh no. We're not going to use that. Anywho, so yeah, we've got we've got no name for this. Please feel free to give me any sort of like suggested names. It's kind of scary looking, but I don't know. You guys tell me. What does this look like? Thank you guys so much for watching another one of my cringy tutorials. I don't even know if you can call it a tutorial, but it's fun at the end of today. Yeah, well, this is what we started with. This is what I incorporated, and I never got to use my little thingies, man. But it's fine. I'm pretty sure I'll find a use for it in the next clip. Oh yeah, and another substitute, of course, this one. But, oh yeah, and then glitter. I was so upset about the glitter. You guys remember that first epic fail? I've got glitter now for future slime DIYs or tutorials, whatever you might call it, if you are going to get one. And then I've got another cheap little thing I want to show you guys. I'm very eager to do this, but this will be for the next video. We'll see. Thank you guys. Have a good one.